And hello, everybody. My name is Daniel Ford, and I'm here on a special day. My name is like where I'm doing today is just different things. But I can tell you one thing: I just turned 37 years old today. Check, check, check. Uh oh. Yeah, I just turned 37, and I feel like a lot different person today. So I'm trying to get a little bit of stuff going. Seems like my mic's having a problem, but I'm just enjoying it, and I see that others are maybe still asleep, but I felt like I just wanted to get up and get this done. I might have to go ahead and get a new audio cable. I think that's check, check, check. I have to get a new audio cable. It looks like because my thing is just having problems. I think all my cables are bad or something, so I don't know. I gotta fix it this week. So I hope you actually enjoy, and I know you're gonna hear like little funky reverbs, but I just wanted to go ahead and get online for a little bit and just see what it is. And I know I don't have many people online right now because a lot of people are still asleep because it's Saturday. So I might not do my shows on Saturday sometimes. It's just when I feel like I need to, but it'll be a little bit in the afternoon. But I think I can do some things. But let me go ahead and switch over to a different camera I shot so I can not have to do this. All right, that's a little bit better. So what I'm gonna talk about a little bit is just it's let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about is there's three different things that it made me think about all the things. But I feel like I can do is talk about how I feel, but some people just don't know understand that I do have a little bit of situation. It just takes me a while to get to what I want to do. So my cable is bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream just a little early, but I just wanted to see what I can do and get a little bit of a deal. But I'm gonna do another live stream a little later today till I get this mic set up. It'll be me close to 3:30 Central or later on in the day. I don't know yet because I'm gonna be going out to eat for my birthday today. So I'll let y'all know, and y'all might see me come on live anyway when I do, because I'm not gonna have it programmed or scheduled. So it's just gonna be an unusual live stream show. So I'll talk to y'all later. Ciao.